Hi, I'm Liz, and welcome to my summer routine with Arata. I'm going to first use the Arata hair cream. This is infused with organic flaxseed and olive extracts. A little bit goes a long way. It's actually an all natural sculpting solution, so it keeps my hair moisturized in the dry summer. I'm going to smoothen it over just like this, and then I'm going to go in with a hair gel. This is a shaping gel for strong hold, and organic flaxseed extracts keep it nourished. Speaking of nourish, here's the trick. A little bit of the Hempocado nourishing oil keeps my hair super hydrated and shiny in the summer. It locks in all the moisture and keeps my hair so happy. Yay!